What's up everyone, I'm back with another video, and today guys, this is my first day to go outside after the circuit breaker, and I am going to take my lunch, and I have in mind what to eat, and it's my favorite, the mala hotpot. So I will show you now.
That's my best friend.
Mala hotpot is open. So this is how it looks like. You just have to choose your preferred vegetables and meat, like that. Chicken, broccoli, spinach, Chinese kangkong. So what do you want? Yeah. That's the main carbo. Noodles. So now let's start. Let's grab it all. I think that's it. So this is it guys. This is it when it's cooked. It has some special oil and chili. I don't know what chili is this. So we have the broccoli, meat, and the additional peanuts for some texture and crunchiness. So now let's eat. Let's get our mask off. Our first bite after 2 months. Very nice. So rich. It's better paired with rice. So I'm done eating, guys. Tulo sipon. Very good. So guys, just finished eating my mala hotpot lunch, and if you want to try it yourself here in Singapore, I will link the description below where to try the best mala here in Singapore. So I would like to treat you with the view here in Marina 1. So nice. It's a structural, even an architectural creativity at its best. You see. And this is the view outside. You see. Look at that. I think this is a mix of offices and accommodations.